The Archdiocese of Changanasheri embarked on a mission journey 50 years ago and established a mission in Ottawa. This year, the Ottawa mission is celebrating the Golden Jubilee, 50 years of missionary presence and witness. The priests and sisters from the Archieparchy of Changanasheri, obeying the missionary mandate of the Lord, came to this mission land and worked for the Lord during the past 50 years. On this Golden Jubilee year, I extend my congratulations, Jubilee greetings to the Bishop of Shamshabad, Prince Anthony Panangade, and the Bishop in charge of Ottawa Mission, Thomas Padiath, all the priests, missionaries, and our lay faithful. May God bless you all. Golden Jubilee greetings to all.